Step 3 of the download manual walks you through processing into Suspense the files coming in from outside downloaders. Some examples of companies who use their own download programs are Progressive and State Auto. These companies typically choose to send their files directly to you by installing their own download software to your workstation. When that software is installed, the desired file location is entered in the setting. This file location specifies where those files will land in your workstation's file system, typically the AL3 Downloads folder, which we set as the shortcut on your desktop for easy access. When you collect files from those companies, it will create the download or AL3 files in the Downloads folder for you to open with the Download Manager. Opening these files can be done in 3 different ways: dropping the file onto the Easy Download Manager icon, setting a file association so you can double-click the file, or using the new Download Center to process all of these files at the same time. Let's go through the first option. If you have a file available in the Downloads folder, make sure the window is only taking up part of your screen so you can see the Easy Download Manager icon. Click on the file, holding your left mouse button, then drag the file and drop it onto the Easy Download Manager icon. This will process the file and open up the Suspense Manager to attach the item into the management system. You can review the attaching process in the Processing Downloads tutorial. If you have another file to process in the Downloads folder, you will need to close the Suspense Manager before dragging the next file into the Easy Download Manager. If you have multiple files in the Downloads folder, you may prefer to process them all at once rather than processing one and closing Suspense to process the next. This is done by first opening the Download Center from the AL3 folder. If you use this process often, you may wish to create a desktop icon to the Download Center by right-clicking on the program and selecting Send to, then Desktop. Once you open the Download Center, you will see a box that says Drop Files Here. Open up the Downloads folder, highlight all of the download files, and drag them all onto the Download Center. Click the button labeled Process Files and the system will cycle through, processing each of the files, removing them from the Downloads folder as they process, then load them into the Suspense Manager to begin attaching the records to the management system. Now that you've learned how to process your downloads into Suspense and attach the Suspense records into the management system, continue to the Reviewing Downloads tutorial, where you will learn the important step of reviewing the resulting records in the management system.